Welcome to my channel, exploring old technologies and seeding new ideas. Let's begin. In 2023, we obtained a fairly full-featured battery-powered portable sewing machine for under $50. We used the included mains adapter and a portable bench to create a fixed workstation area. We were quite impressed with how well this low-cost machine performed. Even used to hem heavy curtains. Here's a quick tour of the included manual. Use pause to have a closer look. I hope you find our test of this portable sewing machine informative. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.